Here I have LG X Power 2 and let me show you how to set up the pin protection on the SIM card by using the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings right here. Let's choose the general tab, and here you have to select the security under privacy tab. Scroll down and here let's choose setup SIM card lock. So let's enable the lock SIM card by using the switcher. Let's input the old pin if you have some to confirm it, and that's it. Now the SIM is locked by the pin. You can also change your pin by using the change pin option. Let's enter the old pin, and now you have to decide either you would like to choose the new pin. It could be from 4 to 8 digits. In my case, let me use some simple one. Twice. Alright, you have to do it twice to confirm it. SIM pin changed successfully. And you may also, of course, disable the pin protection by using the same switcher and by confirming it by inputting the pin. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.